Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hello everyone! In this video I will explain how to play Undertale with a mouse. While Undertale is traditionally played with a keyboard or a game controller, it is absolutely possible to adapt mouse controls for a unique experience. This involves using external software to remap your mouse actions to the game's standard keyboard inputs. It opens up new ways to navigate the world and engage in battles, offering a fresh perspective on this beloved adventure. Let's dive into how you can set this up for yourself. To begin, you will need to download and install a key mapping software. There are several excellent programs available that let you customize your input devices. Once installed, these tools enable you to assign specific keyboard commands, like the arrow keys or WASD, to your mouse buttons or even mouse movements. Many programs also offer the convenience of creating unique profiles for each game, ensuring your custom setup is ready whenever you play Undertale. Just remember to keep the software active while gaming. Many college football games on Roblox allow extensive player customization. You can personalize your avatar's appearance, uniform, and even equipment. As you play, you will earn in-game currency, which can be used to unlock new items and cosmetic enhancements. Consistent participation in matches and practice sessions helps improve your players' statistics, making them faster, stronger, and more skilled over time. To truly optimize your mouse play, create a dedicated profile for Undertale within your remapping software. This ensures your custom settings are always ready. Spend some time testing your new controls in the game, making small adjustments to button assignments and sensitivity until it feels just right. Practice navigating the environments and engaging in a few battles to build muscle memory. With a little patience, you will master this alternative control scheme, opening up a completely new and engaging way to experience the charming and challenging world of Undertale.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.